Welcome to the PageGate Interface Introduction tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be going over a brief introduction to the different interfaces for PageGate and their functions. The full list of interfaces that PageGate supports is as follows: GUI Client, GetAscii, GetMail, GetSerial, GetTap, GetWeb, GetSNP, and GetTouchTone. The GUI client is an interface that is installed on workstation PCs connected on the same local area network as the PageGate server. The client provides a NotePager Pro-like messaging interface. When run, the client displays a list of recipients and allows the end user to select a recipient, type in a message, and hit send to deliver the message to the recipient, group, or series of recipients and groups. The GetAscii interface has two functions. First, it allows PageGate to monitor a directory or series of directories for ASCII text files. Second, it provides a command line interface. When integrating with other programs, this interface allows those programs to pass messaging commands directly to PageGate. Next, we have the GetMail interface. The GetMail interface allows PageGate to monitor and use incoming SMTP or email messages to then turn them into outbound SMS messages or pages to mobile devices. It can do this in one of a few different ways, the most common of which are having PageGate host an email domain or monitor external mailboxes. The GetSerial module allows PageGate to monitor a serial port for an incoming data stream. It can then parse the data from that data stream and turn it into an outbound SMS message or page to mobile devices. Next is the GetTap module. The GetTap module allows PageGate to monitor a modem or communications port for incoming tap requests. This allows PageGate to function much like a tap terminal, so systems in the outside world can dial into the PageGate computer and deliver tap messages directly to PageGate, which will then be delivered outbound as SMS messages or pages to mobile devices. Next we have the GetWeb module. The GetWeb module functions in one of two ways. First, it allows PageGate to generate and produce content that a web server can host for a paging website. This paging website can either be hosted on your intranet connection, or it can actually be hosted on the internet too. These websites can come in a variety of formats and templates, all of which are explained in the GetWeb interface tutorial. Secondly, it provides a CGI executable for a web server to host, and allows the web server to pass CGI parameters directly to PageGate, which can then turn those parameters into SMS messages and pages to mobile devices. Next we have the GetSNP module, also known as the SNPP server module, which allows PageGate to monitor port 444 on the local PageGate computer for incoming SNPP sessions. This allows PageGate to function like an SNPP host, much like other carriers provide. Systems in the outside world can transmit SNPP messages over the internet directly to the PageGate computer, which can then turn those messages into an outbound SMS message or page to mobile devices. Lastly, we have the GetTouchTone module. This module allows PageGate to monitor a modem or communications port for incoming touch tones, much like old-style paging systems used to use. These touch tones can then be extrapolated and turned into SMS messages or pages to mobile devices. This concludes the PageGate Interface Introduction tutorial. For more tutorials, including a detailed explanation and configuration tutorial for each interface, please visit our website, www.notepage.net.